Hi everyone, hope you well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew and big up the $27 crew for XRP. Whether or not it gets there this cycle, next cycle, who knows? No one's got a crystal ball, but this is a technical target, and one day, you know, I honestly do see XRP get into that particular target. Again, not financial advice, and nothing I say in this financial advice is for education and entertainment purposes only. But from here, you know, we are looking relatively strong here for XRP at the moment. I'm going to dive deeper into that in the moment. But from here, this potential upside for XRP is astronomical. Okay, it's 3,645% to $27. Even to this particular price appreciation here, which I honestly do anticipate that we'll get to in this bull run. This is an overshot, okay, the 1618, because the reason is because XRP has been held back in this bull run. Okay, I'm not saying it won't get there in this cycle. Who knows? It may do. I'm seeing a lot of technical analysis that's pointing towards that particular target, if not more. And I think that people forget about the use case of XRP. Okay, it's not necessarily retail driven, is it? You know, it's an institutional sort of thing. Basically, I don't need to go into too much detail, but I can't imagine that retail is going to get us there. Okay, there's a massive influx, a wall of money that's going to come into XRP. But again, I've not got a crystal ball. I hold my hands up. You know, all I'm doing is talking about the technicals and projections and potential targets, and based off Fibonacci and waves and all that kind of business. Okay, I won't go too much into that today because I can make these videos really long because I get a little bit carried away on myself. But so far, so good. XRP is performing relatively well. Think about XRP. Okay, it's got a massive law case, suitcase, whatever you want to call it. You know, SEC hanging over its head, lingering, yet it's still bullish. Okay, some people might look at it thinking it's not bullish, but actually it is. It is bullish. You're moving up in beautiful waveforms. You're falling back to key levels of support. You're holding support relatively well for continuation. You know, given the fact that what it's got over its head, it's not going to zero, is it? Or it's not in the floor. It's not in a continual bear market or downtrend. It's effectively coming back, holding support, potentially moving up in this bull market that we do anticipate for crypto. And as you're fully aware, the ODL news the other day gave a massive pump for the price just here for XRP. Personally, I think, and I keep telling this, but I think XRP is a fantastic technology. Okay, the ledger, the actual use case of it, and I've used it many a times, and it's fearless and instant. I mean, who doesn't want that? Bitcoin is good, but it's clunky. Okay, and it's not necessarily going to be used for swift, borderless transfer payments like XRP. But again, I'm just going down another avenue here. I'm just trying to talk to you about the technicals. Basically, looking at XRP, it's looking good. Okay, because what's happened here, if I switch to the daily time frame for XRP, you've ran into a level of resistance which we spoke about in the previous video. Okay, so when you form this descending triangle, you create a level of support just there. Do you see this? You fell through it, and you carried out a correction. You created a double bottom at the moment, rising wedge, rolled back over to retest as this bottom. You've actually created a higher low just there, so that's good in itself. And right now you've created this WW bottom, which we've spoken about in a previous video just there. Resistance, low, come back up. You've actually broken through that level of resistance. Now I gave you the technical target, but again, it doesn't get there overnight. You don't just go and shoot. You can do, but you know, it's progress. You're breaking through a level of resistance, and it has a breakout target, boom, up to the golden ratio. So you could be looking at a 91 cents XRP token. But what's happened here, you've ran into the resistance. I mean, look at this. Okay, who says technical analysis is bullshit? Look at this. You've ran into the level of resistance, failed to close above this resistance. This is actually quite good because it's cooling you down. It's allowing you to consolidate in this range. You've came up, you've got a little bit of extended just there, as you can see. Consolidation before potentially breaking this level of resistance for the next wave up to 91 cents. It really is that simple. So providing you don't lose this level of support, XRP is looking at further upside here up to 91 cents. So you're consolidating now. You're coming back in your back test and holding key levels of support. The support that you do need to see held for XRP, okay, is this. I'm going to drop this in for you right now. It's on the daily time frame. So if you start to see XRP close below that on the daily, you're losing a key level of support, which was previous resistance of a WW bottom, which is a breakout technical target of 91 cents, and appreciation from this point right now of around about 26% for XRP. Okay, now with that, I mean, look at that. If that was to come and you come up here and you consolidate a bit more, you're going to start forming the bullish cross, the buy and go to the beach signal from CoinsKid. You're already getting a precursor one here. We've held it relatively well, like I said to you in the previous video. You got your beautiful buy and go to the beach signal here for CoinsKid. You got it overextended. You're holding support. You're consolidating. You're most importantly above the daily 55 EMA. XRP is bullish. You can't look at this chart and say it's bearish or this is a bear market. This is actually bullish, because in bear markets you don't do things like this, okay? You can have dead cat bounces, okay, but so far you're looking relatively good and healthy for continuation for XRP. Now there are key levels of resistance that you do need to see held, okay, broken, sorry, should I say, because you could actually have a dead cat bounce. You're fully aware of that, okay? So I'm just going to show you the dead cat bounce scenario real quick just here for XRP. So as you're fully aware, when you roll over, you create a market cycle top and you enter a bear market, you come down, you make a low. Now you retrace to around about the 50% level. And if you get rejected at that level and continue with a trend, it's called a dead cat bounce, okay? It's a 50% retracement, dead cat bounce scenario. See you later, bear market. But at the moment, we're holding support relatively well. We're creating bullish little signals here, coming back up. Now if we can break these levels of resistance, your dead cat bounce and your bear market is out the window right here, okay? So yeah, this is a possible scenario, but this is why I'm not calling bear market yet. You're having a correction, you're holding key levels of support for continuation of the bull market here for XRP and Bitcoin and crypto, okay? So those saying we're in a bear market are talking out their arse. We're not in a bear market. We're in a corrective phase of a bull market, in my opinion. But again, you know, I've not got a crystal ball, and nothing I say is financial advice. All I'm doing is saying what I'm saying. At the minute, for XRP, you are caught between a rock and a hard place, which is actually really good for XRP. So you've got a key level of support, which you can't afford to see lost at 71 cents on the daily, because if you do, potentially you're going to come back down, and you could, in fact, come down lower than these, okay, than this for XRP. That's a potential play. You're fully aware, okay? So right now you're looking healthy. You're holding support of 71 cents, and if you do see the break of this particular level of resistance just there, start to see the daily close above 75 cents, you could be looking at a 91 cent token coming back up to the golden ratio, okay? So just there, like I said to you, you have got work in front of you though. You do need to break these levels of resistance to invalidate this dead cat bounce. Okay, if you start to come up and break that, beautiful. But what you're looking here primarily is a break of this level of resistance here, the 0.618, which is the golden ratio retracement of this high. Okay, so from here down to there, retracement. Do you see that? Because that's what we're looking for. We're looking for a reversal wave here of this downwards wave. Get the reversal wave, and your next target for XRP is, and I'll show you this right now off the bat, get rid of that. Your next target is obviously the 1618, which is all the way up here at $4.55. okay, so hopefully right now this particular wave here is the new impulsive wave. It's going to be rocky, it's going to be bumpy, but eventually you could be looking at that. And I did do, I think, a tweet the other day or somewhere, I did something that potentially you're looking at that potential target by the end of the year for XRP, which would be great, which would obviously beat its all-time high, and that would be progress. At that point you would see a pullback, a level of consolidation, you know, before continuation to the extensions up there on the larger time frames. So yeah, that's XRP. It's a potential play, but so far so good. We are making progress, but obviously you've got those targets in front of you, the 0.618 at $1.17. If we can get back above that, there's a high probability that we are now forming this reversal wave, okay? So yeah, Rome wasn't built in a day, and targets take time to get to. So you are going to run into resistance. You are going to come back and hold key levels of support, and if you can continue to do that, then yeah, you're looking at more upside and potential bull market continuation here for XRP. Okay, take care everyone. We'll be back tomorrow with an XRP update, but so far so good, holding support. See you later. Bye bye.